Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys.
Well, who are these cars right here?
Mack, Jackson Storm, Cruz, and McQueen.
Yeah, these are some of the new Cars 3 diecasts from the new movie, right? So pretty cool, but did you know there's so many more cars? And guess what? I've got the secret answer key to what cars are out there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at this right here. This is a Cars 3 poster with all the cars that are out there. Look at all those. So we need to look at these cars and check out some of these names and see who else is coming out for the Cars 3 diecast. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do
it.
Okay, so here's the 2017 Cars 3 poster. So here we go. Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, Natalie Certain, River Scott, Smokey, Louise Nash, Taco, Jimbo, Tim Treadless, Danny Swervez, Jack DePost, Dud Throttleman, Cruz Ramirez as Francis Beltline, Chick Hicks with headset, Parker Breakston, Lightning McQueen as Chester Whipplefilter, Brick Yardley, Rex Reveler, Cal Weathers, APB, Chip Gearings, Tommy Highbanks, Roscoe, Sterling, Bobby Swift, Paunchy Wipeout, Reb Meeker, Buck Bearingley, Murray Clutchburn, Dirt Track Fabulous Hudson Hornet, DINOCO Cruz Ramirez, Pushover, Sig Alert, Fishtail, Broadside, Patty, Junior Moon, Pile Up, Pat Traxon, Ralph Carlo, AJ Hollis, Darren Leadfoot, Ernie Gearson, Maddie McGear, Chris Revstopski, Chase Racelot, RUSTEZE Lightning McQueen, Bubba Wheelhouse, Ryan Inside Laney, Ed Chonkan, Terry Cargas, Phil Tankson, Herb Kerbler, Mater, Luigi and Guido, Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen, Todd, Flo, Sarge, Fillmore, Tex Dinoco, Sally, Lizzie, Super Chase Cruz Ramirez as Crazy 8 Francis Beltline, Super Chase Morgan Martins, The Lightyear Blimp, Mr. Drippy, RV, Tiny Lugsworth, Dr. Damage, Miss Fritter, Jocko Flocko MACK, Cars 3 MACK, Red, Stu Scattershields, Lightning McQueen as Chester Whipple Filter, Luigi and Guido with Cloth, Heyday Smokey and Dirt Track Fabulous Hudson Hornet, Sterling and Cruz Ramirez, Bobby Swift and Cal Weathers, Strip Weathers, aka The King, and Cars 3 Jeff Gorvette, Cars 3 Lightning McQueen and Sally, Minnie and Van, Chick Hicks with headset and Natalie Certain, Hit and Run, Tailgate and Sig Alert, High Impact and Jimbo, Blind Spot and Pushover, Jackson Storm and Danny Swervez, and Dusty Rusties and Rusty Rusties. Alright, so that's it for this Cars 3 poster. Pretty cool, and a lot of awesome new characters that are coming out, especially some of these Demo Derby diecast. Check it out, lots of cool ones. So here's a couple tips. We've got a 2-pack right here, High Impact and Jimbo. There's not a single of High Impact. Okay, so if you hold off on getting Jimbo, then you can get the 2-pack. Same as Blind Spot and Pushover. There's not a single of Blind Spot anywhere. Okay, and also of Tailgate. There's no Tailgate single. So you want to get this 2-pack right here. Hit and Run is a 2-pack. And I think that's it. Fabulous Hudson Hornet, Dirt Track, he comes in a single. But the Heyday Smokey, there's not a Heyday Smokey single. There's just a regular Smokey. Okay? So that's a couple tips on your collection. So very cool. Lots of really cool diecasts coming out from Mattel and Disney Pixar Cars 3. So this is going to be really cool. Who's your favorite? Leave a comment down below. And don't just give me your favorite, because it's so hard to just have one favorite. Give me your top 5 cars that you like out of this whole collection. Leave that down in the comments below and let me know who you like the best. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for more Disney Pixar Cars 3 videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?